Nigeria will be blessed.
Nigeria will be blessed.
Amen. Pleasure to...
And to remind you that the year will be full of electoral activities for all electoral stakeholders in the run-up to the 2027 general election. This gathering is indeed a very critical opportunity for us to foster dialogue, share insights, and collaboratively navigate the electoral landscape as we prepare for the future of democracy in Nigeria. You may recall that barely 15 days after I assumed office, the Commission conducted the Anambra State off-cycle election on the 8th day of November 2025. In the run-up to the election, we engaged extensively with stakeholders, including the civil society organizations, and conducted a pre-election assessment to evaluate the state of preparedness and test-run our election technologies. So next on our election calendar is the FCT Area Council election on Saturday, 21st day of February 2026. The election will involve 1,680,315 registered voters across 2,822 polling units in 6 area councils of FCT, namely Abaji, Abuja Municipal Area Council, Wari, Gwagwalada, Guje, and Kwali. It will be contested by a 570 candidate in 68 constituencies for the position of chairman and vice chairman, and 62 councillors made up of 10 wards each for the 5 area councils and 12 wards for the Abuja Municipal Area Council.
Are also pledging their support to the Commission to ensure that the FCT Area Council election goes seamlessly, and to also call for INEC to do what is necessary, what is important to be done, that every citizen will feel the need. Every citizen would ensure that their rights and their vote is being counted. And to also speak concerning the delays we're experiencing from the National Assembly. I think hot on everyone's conversation this morning, or in the weeks past, and the weeks to come, is the delay we are experiencing, and how that would affect the preparation for the 2027 election. And to say that every one of us seated in this room, and even beyond, and even the electoral umpire itself, has a very critical role to play. And we all should not relent in the call for the National Assembly to expedite action. Already there is a delay. Already we are concerned on how that will affect the plan of the plan from INEC. And that is why we are calling on all hands to be on deck. Whoever needs to be called upon, whatever actions need to be taken, need to be expedited and needs to be done quickly, because we have concern for the 2027 election.
Introduce to you Professor Joash Ojo, members of the Commission, the Honorable National Council. Professor Kunle Ajayi, a round of applause for him. Seated there again is, again we have Dr. Ken Ukiako, a round general of the Electoral Institute. He is Professor Sani Ibrahim, a round of applause. Chief Technical Advisor to the Honorable Chairman, Professor Dimis Mailafia. Adedayo Uketola, a round of applause. You're welcome, sir. At this juncture, I'd like to, with the kind permission of the...
Good morning, everybody.
My name is
Good morning, everyone. My name is Victoria Sule.
Honorable Chairman, good morning, everybody. My name is Kate Mgbeke, the Initiative for Africa.
My name is Ambassador Tijani Abdelmoni from Masadisho Radha Foundation.
Thank you.
Yeah, Mr. Chairman,